Hello, lovely and wonderful family. Welcome once again to my channel. Sar Skincare and Bakery is the name. If you are stopping by for the very first time, you are highly welcome. And to my old and new subscribers, God richly bless you for always being with your girl. In today's video, I'm going to make a glowing black soap. This black soap is a simple to make and you can make it. It will glow your skin and also lighten the skin in a bit. So guys, try this amazing recipe and bring me a testimony or a review. Don't forget to bring me a review to motivate me to do more. Guys, let's dive into the video. Guys, let me show you how to make this amazing black soap. It's a simple to do it and you can do it nice. Okay guys, yes, so first thing first, we'll be needing our black soap. We'll be needing the one in the paper. We are using the ones in the paper, so please, you'll be needing one. You can decide to buy the big size, the small size, the medium size. That depends on you. After that, remove it from the pack. You have to remove it from the paper. You can't use it with the paper, so you have to remove it from the paper. When you remove it from the paper, it will look like this. Yes guys, it will look like this, perfectly like this. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share my videos. Then after that, then you cut it into pieces. You cut it into pieces and you place it in a saucepan or a cooking pot. We are going to melt this soap. Okay, we are going to melt this soap, so please just cut it, mash it, or you can decide to grate it. Whatever you want to do with the soap, you can decide to do it with it. Yes, for me, I would prefer cutting or mashing. That one is perfect. We are going to melt this soap to make it in a faster use, because if you mash it, you are going to place this soap for 3 days before you can use it. But if you cut it and you melt it, we are going to use it in the 24 hours. You can use your soap. So you place it in the fire for low heat for 5 minutes. Only 5 minutes. You are way to go. Let the soap melt. Okay, yes, we need the soap to be melted, so it's simple to do it and you can do it. Let the soap be melted so that we can add the rest of the ingredient to it. So after 5 to 10 minutes, you see that your soap have been melted. Then you remove it from the fire and you place it there for 5 minutes. Please place it there for 5 minutes. Don't add the ingredients after you remove it from the fire. No, don't remove it and add the ingredient. Wait for 5 minutes. Then you add your first oil. That's the Snow White oil. If you don't have Snow White oil, you can decide to add in any whitening oil. Any whitening oil. You can decide to add in BB Clear oil. All the whitening oils, White Secret oil is also there. Whitener oil is also there. Then after that, then you add in your glowing oil. Please, 50 ml each. 50 ml each. Your glowing oil. You add in your glowing oil. We have a lot of glowing oil. Carrot oil is there. All the glowing oil outside. Yes, you add in 50 ml each. Yes, the whitener oil, add 50 ml. The glowing oil, add 50 ml. Then our next oil will be half cast oil. Remember half cast oil. Yes, you add in your half cast oil. The half cast oil, we are adding in 50 and 100 ml. Depending on what you want. If you want to become a lighter, then you have to add in 100 ml of your half cast oil. But if you want to become a brighter, just glowing, add in 50 ml of your half cast oil. Voila, you are way to go. Yes, 50 and 100. So you decide whatever you want. Then you add in your turmeric oil. Add in 50 ml of your turmeric oil. Then you mix it very well. Guys, remember that you can add in your turmeric powder or sandalwood powder. Whatever you prefer to do is very good. Add in your turmeric or your sandalwood powder. If you have rice powder, you can add in a little of it. Then you mix it very well. Mix it thoroughly. Mix it very well for all the oil to be incorporated. Then you scoop it into your bowl or your container and you place it there for 24 hours. Just a day. Place it there for 24 hours for it to become cool. Okay guys, yes, then you are way to go. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, so turn the notification bell. Please like, share and comment. See you in my next video. Bye bye.